This is your WW3 News. One of these things will be very handy in any situation. Say we're in so-called emergency situation, which we may be subject to power cuts or some other type of emergency service, and you have no access to electrical energy from power outlet or from a motor vehicle, or if you're out and about in the woods on a lovely sunny day to power your mobile phones or power your electronic portable devices, this will do the trick. Free energy, you just set out this thing, you connect up and it starts charging. See, and these more recent panels are more efficient gathering the sun rays regarding the past. Even you can find them as well. And this is an item you cannot leave out of your bug out bag or when you go out somewhere. Energy when you want, with the sun, a discrete level of intensity light this will pick up. These are the ones more efficient collecting the sun rays, respecting the other of the past. They used to sell these things, solar panels, a bit more widely. Solar power banks for phones about 10 years ago, and they apps have just disappeared off the market for some reason, because probably solar panels are again difficult to find, and people really don't know how important such an item or device this could be. An emergency service where there's no energy, you can use the sunlight or a good daylight. It will charge anyway, maybe a bit more slower, but it will charge anyway. This is not a thing you should miss out of your bug out bag. It's available in various shapes and sizes and power as well. This goes from to power to your phone, mobile phones, tablets, other type of DC devices, right up to a solar panel for your house or your homestead to independent. Because being self-reliant without depending on modern society does help and gives you that cutting edge of making your life a bit more bearable, more civilized in difficult times, or you're in the middle of nowhere. This is just an example what type of pad you can buy. It's available on the market here in Italy. Wherever you live in the world, be under different brands and other configurations and stuff like that. This, in the case of emergency or normal use, it can be very useful. Like in emergency situations, it can be essential, vital. If to power up radio, phone, tablet or mini computer, or any device which runs off DC power basically. So this shouldn't be left out of your preps or your so-called survival gear. It's not necessary you have to use this in case of emergency. You can use it on holiday, in the woods, on the beach, on a lovely sunny day, free energy, and there you are. You won't remain without electrical energy for the small electronic devices which we do have today, and which we mostly rely on and depend upon. But one day mobile phones probably may not work anymore, or there'll be an outage, who God knows what. And these devices could be crucial, vital in some way to you, or various situations it can be used in.